Split into rows is a fantastic feature of Power Query. It wasn't even part of Power Query when it first came out. It was added in later. And check out how this works. We have a data set with these products, and we would like to be able to sort and filter these colors. What the product is doesn't matter, but maybe we like blue, or we want to get rid of plain old black and white and see what other options are available to us. But we also want to see the price and the rating, but it's not so easy this way. Check this out. We're going to split into rows. Here we go. Cursor in the data set. Data from table/range. There's our data. I'm going to highlight this column, split column by delimiter. Want to split by custom because we want to get the comma and the space afterward. Now, advanced options. Split into rows. You ready? Okay. Look at that. Now we could filter out black and white. Get rid of gray also. That's kind of bland. That's what we're left with. We can do another filter. Let's say we want to look for contains blue. Okay. And let's say we don't want those low ratings. Let's get rid of those. Okay. These are our two options if we insist on this product in some shade of blue, and we dug that out by using split into rows.